What's up, it's Jake. I'm here, you're there, and today we're doing part 2 to last week's part 1, which I just made a part series today. Here's what I'm talking about. After I posted that video, my friend Anna said you should do the challenge of a paperclip to a house. I was like, someone's already done that, but I can do $0 to $1 million. So that's what we're gonna do. We start off with 0 in the first video, then we ended up at 55 at the end. Then we're gonna add some more to that today. And eventually, we're gonna hit $1 million. That's right, $1 million. And then, what am I gonna do with $1 million? Give it all away. That's right. We're gonna make $1 million on YouTube, live, real time today. And then we're gonna give it all away. To who? I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure that out along the way. Make $1 million, figure it out along the way, give it away. That didn't rhyme like I thought it would. But that's what we're doing today. We're gonna add to the money to making $1 million. Let's go. Good morning, hola, bonsoir, oui, hello, hi, how you doing? This is week 2. I'm about to go get a free golf bag on the side of the road. What do you know? Incredible. No freaking cushion. That's blown out. That is quality furnishings right there. Probably spray paint it white and flip it. I can grab it, gotta get my wipes. Here we go. Just got 2,000 fresh business cards from Minutemen Press. Best printers in town, College Park, Orlando, Florida. The trunk doesn't stay up, so it falls. I'm gonna take this one, spray paint it, and reflip it. Refurbish it and reflip it. Damn. Got a personal Jelly Roll shirt holder. That's cool. Boom, boom. Hello. Thank you, house. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's a kid size. That kind of sucks, but it's better than no size, I guess. It's like the machinery on it works. Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Have a good day. Support the community, man. You seem very happy that I took that. I don't know why, but thank you, brother, for giving me a golf bag. I appreciate that. It's a good day to have a great day. Did you know that? Everything I find today, excluding the first white thing, I'm gonna bring the people, whoever house I found it from, I'm gonna bring them back half the profit. Just cause it's a nice day. Go down the main street in your neighborhood, the one that runs through all the other streets if you have one of those, and then just look left, look right, so you don't have to drive up and down every street, and then you can get a good idea if you can see anything down that street on the side of the road. If you don't, keep on trucking Jack. If you do, hook a left, go grab it. My neighbor even has a free skateboard ramp and shelves. Golf bag, $5-10, easy. Sturdy as ever. All the drawers work. Just gonna spray paint this sucker up. We'll get it right back on the market today. Now, I'm gonna go to my neighbor's house, grab the 2 skateboard ramps, then sanitize myself so I have no germs. Spray paint that, and then get on my phone, start swiping and scrolling away on websites and apps, and we'll see where that takes us. Let's go. Incredible. I could not find any spray paint in my garage, but I was thinking we got the $55. We made 55 last video. Let's take 5 or 10 of that and grab a can of spray paint. Take a 10 out. Leave 45 in. And go buy some spray paint. Bro, are you kidding me? On the way to Ace, see this. Had to circle back around. Chainsaw. Cool little light lamp thing. That is sick. We'll go ask her if it works. She's in the garage. Excuse me?
Oh, hey.
Hey, does that lamp work?
Yeah, the lamp works. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and it just needs like a new shade, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's sick.
Yeah,
It's like Miami, kind of.
Take it.
Sweet. Thank you.
Have fun. Yeah.
Got anything else you need me to take?
You don't need this, do you? Please. Here, I'll help you carry it too. It's hot as hell though.
Sick. Thanks.
Yeah.
Can you just open my trunk? My trunk doesn't work.
Oh, yeah.
I'll carry it.
Are you sure you got it? I don't mind helping. Here, I'll hold it up for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sick.
This was meant to be good. I'm glad you can use it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, I'll
Really got that.
Yeah.
All right, no
It
problem.
works beautifully.
How do I get a new shade? Is there like a store I can get that at?
Yeah, you can even go to like Ross or Marshalls or someplace like that, or Amazon too.
Really?
Yeah, any shape, like regular shade will fit this in whatever shape you like.
Sick.
Yeah.
Thank you so
All
much.
right, no problem.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Incredible. Another dope person that I met. Not really met. Another dope person though. Went out to get the lamp. I don't know if it worked, but it was sick. It was like some Miami style lamp with all these mirrors on it. I was like, hey, I was just gonna ask her like, hey, does it work? And then she had all this stuff. She's like, you need anything else? I mean, y'all heard it. But bro, just talk to people. It's incredible. It's fun. And they'll tell you stuff. Oh, might have just broke the lamp. Need to slow. Alright, I'm gonna drop this off my house before I hit Ace. But I was literally on the way to Ace and I found more stuff. And then she was in the garage, so I wanted to say, does the lamp work? When I've asked her, she said, you don't need this, do you? I was like, heck yeah, I need that. Let's get it. It's very nice. This is incredible. I don't even do this that much, honestly, but I need to start now because it's fun. She's a very nice woman, so I'm definitely bringing half the profit back to her. Incredible lady. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. This one, it does look killer, but too much money. Only have $10.
Yeah, that is
No, man.
$4.89. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
That was easy. All right, check this thing out. Shelves, and it has a freaking. So if you don't want anyone to see what's inside there, and it slides, and the freaking drawers come out. Are you kidding me, bro? This is one of the nicest pieces of furniture I've ever seen. The lamp, I broke the shade a little more while I was driving, but bro, oh my gosh, it's like a whale's watering hole in my face. That's disgusting. So yeah, this lamp is so hard. I'm pretty sure there's a lamp shade, a place called Lamp Fair or something near my house. Boom. Got the spray paint. So I'm gonna hit this one up real quick. See it? Get that all touched up, get it all white again. Looking brand new. Maybe grease up the joints a little bit, who knows, could be anything. And then we'll flip her. And I'm gonna list all this stuff so it's not ugly just sitting in my front yard like this. I'm gonna get it going quick. Okay. This spot is from the Sharpie. That's how the Sharpie does. This spot is from the marker, the Crayola marker. That looks like the best to me. And this is from this pen. So it looks like Crayola marker takes the cake.
Here's the wood pretty black and then it comes off on the rest of it. It's not perfect, but you know what I mean? It's better than it was.
It's not as good as it once was, but it'll be as good once as it ever was. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna worry about this stuff. It just is what it is. It's a nice piece of furniture. Spray paint's got me out here looking goofy. Anyway, wear your mask. You gotta do what you gotta do, buddy. There's a before and after video. There's what it looks like before. Crusty, rusty, dusty old doorknobs. Get them right. See that? Come on, I can't be having that. Wow. Bleaching my eyes is so white. Sun reflecting off of it. Look at that doorknob looking extra crispy. Feet looking crispy. Even the back looking kind of crispy, not gonna lie to you. For $4.59, get your wicker boxes looking right. That's pretty quality work, I'd say. List of the skateboard things. Within 5 minutes, someone texted me. Here he is pulling up now. Grab him, $10. Sold. $10. Easy 10, but I think they're worth more than that. I think they're worth a little bit more than that, but whatever. Sold them in like 5 seconds. So I got 10. I'm gonna give 5 back to my neighbor. I'm doing half the profit back over. All right, we got this thing sold. Yes, there's oatmeal in the back of my car. Don't ask why. My brother and I are gonna go deliver it right now. The lady messaged me on OfferUp. I got like 5 offers, 2 backed out. And she asked if I'd come deliver it to her house. We're gonna go deliver it right now for $70. Let's go. $70. Got the money all wrapped up. No bargaining, nothing. Let's open it and count it and make sure. 20, 40, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Cool. Easiest $70 ever. Giving 5 to my brother because he came with me. And then, so 65. And then half of that giving back to the lady who I got it from. So I'll make 30 to 50. Is that right? That's right. 5. Cinco Dolores. Here is the 65 that I have left. I had to give my brother 5. I will put 40 in here, and I'll take 10 out to make this 25, 35. 35 for her, 30 for me since I took 10 out. I'm on the way to give that lady half her money right now from the black furniture. I wrote her a letter because I went there an hour ago and she wasn't home. Well, not a letter, but I put it in an envelope because I went there an hour ago and she wasn't home. So if she's not home again, I'm just gonna stick it in the door so she gets it. Because I don't want her dogs to eat it. There's like 5 or 10 dogs there. But yeah, hopefully she's there and gets it. Alright, she wasn't home again, so I just put it in her mailbox. Hopefully she gets it, and hopefully her dogs don't eat it. This money is finally quarantined for a couple days. This is the change from the spray paint. That's $5.11. Once again, I have not sold my full portfolio. Honestly, to be honest with you guys, being honest with you, I didn't even list this thing because at one point I was going to buy a new lamp shade. Those cost like $60. It's insane. Another point I was going to rebuild this one. And then the last point in time, I didn't. So still here. But I'm not going to throw this stuff away on the curb. I'm going to try to sell this stuff. This is like a nice piece of furniture. And nothing else, I'll keep it and give it to my wife whenever I wife her. This, I'm also not going to just throw on the curb because I put my hard-earned time into it, and I think it can sell. I got like 7 offers on it. Nobody ever responded again though. Nobody came through. I was mad. But I reposted this like 7 different times to try to sell it because I just couldn't sell it for some reason. Lowered the price every time as it got closer to today. We didn't sell the golf bag either. I'm throwing this thing on the curb where if I know a kid who needs it, I'm gonna give it to him. If you want it, you can have it. And it was crazy too. Someone actually watched my video last week and offered me to buy the tiki torches, so that's kind of cool. Sucks again, I didn't sell everything again, but that's how it goes. You don't sell everything all the time, you throw it back on the curb. So in total for this video, I made $40. I really made 80, but I gave half of it away as you saw, because I was feeling good that day. Total, we're up to $85.11. So instead of you guys telling me what I'm gonna do with this and starting a new business, I'm gonna take this, like I said in the beginning, and flip it to $1 million. I'm gonna give it all away. Well, all I can say now is see y'all next week.